What will be the minimum team size in a project, and MM people in that team, how will be the task assigned? Okay, the minimum team size we cannot tell exactly. Okay, based on the project. Okay, according to my experience, I can see in support projects mostly you will see at least 2 MM consultants or 3 MM offshore consultants. Maybe if it is a European or US or UK any kind of a project, then there will be one on-site MM consultant will be there. In offshore, maybe 2 or maybe 3, 4, based on the project, based on the number of tickets. Okay, they may allocate that, okay, at least 20 tickets per person or 16 tickets per person. If they allocate monthly, how many tickets they are receiving? They are receiving, for example, 60. Then they will keep approximately 4 people, because one person may be on leave, so it should not be too much load on the 3 people, right? And they will keep any buffer MM consultant who will work for two projects based on the is just like a replacing the guy who went on leave. So you can team size wise supporting 2 people, 3 people, 4 people you can consider. Okay, so based on the size. Implementation, again, based on the project size and based on the work, 1 MM consultant can be possible, or 2-3 MM consultants. Okay, if you take the big MNCs in India, if they are doing some on-site projects, in on-site some 2 or 3 MM consultants will be there. In offshore, they will keep 2-3 consultants. Okay, so these kind of things, the team size will be there. The overall, if you ask somebody what is your team size, you need to calculate and you can tell some 14 or 15 people approximately. So 2 MM, 2 FI, 2 SD, the major modules, 2 people, and maybe PP or PM or anything, 1 consultant. ABAP maybe 3-4 people, 1 project manager, okay, 1 basis guy, maybe 1 security. So it will be the overall team size will be there. You check the my SAP methodology video also. I provided these kind of tips.